Hi guys, in the previous videos we joined these two tables, which are orders and returns, and we did a left join. Let's verify. Yes, it's a left join. You can also see the symbol, so it's a left join, and we also selected on extract. Now actually we go to sheet 1 to create some visualizations, but actually before visualizations I will also explain you certain concepts which are important to understand Tableau. So previously it was live, and now I selected on extract, and we did some data changes, so again it will create an extract. So that's why it's taking a bit time. Okay, so it has created an extract, and now we can see that data source filters were also cleared, so we can see all the data of all the regions. Now coming to the main points of, so this is the sheet on which we will create all our visualization. So at the bottom you can see one is data source tab, on which we already worked. Here is the sheet 1. So you can see this first plus symbol where you see a little visualization thing like bar chart. So this means this will add a new worksheet, and on the right side where you see 4 checkers, a box, and this means a dashboard. If I hover on it, it says new dashboard. So I will explain what is a dashboard in Tableau. And on the right side if you see book like something, so it's a story. Again we will discuss about story later, but coming back to sheet, so we will do everything here. All the graphs and charts will be created on sheets. So to get started with it, let's see on the top. So we have a data source connection, which is sample superstore, which we connected on the data source tab. Coming down we have dimensions, and here we have measures. So these are the two important you can say terms which are used in Tableau, and these are the important questions for interviews as well. So dimensions and measures, if you see, so what are the dimensions here, like category, city, customer ID, customer name, and let's take example of measures, so discount, profit, quantity, sales. So maybe you are getting an idea that dimensions are something on which we can do the visualization, and we can basically, these are the qualitative variables which actually provide us the not the you can say we cannot perform arithmetic operations on these variables. So these are just for the representative purposes on which we can segregate our segregate our measures. So basically dimensions and measures are also known as facts. So facts are the quantitative variables which actually quantify the values. So we can do the arithmetic operations on these measures or these facts. So let's see how it works. Now if you see that we have different type of data types, which we already discussed on the data source tab. So you can see category is string, city is a geography, and country region is geography. So to verify that, go to this drop down against the variable. You can see that change data type. So currently it's a string. You can change it to other data types if it accepts. If I select country region, go to drop down, change data type. So currently it's a string, but yes, if we drag it to sheet, it will play like a geography. So geography role, you can see country or region. So it's a geography that we are using. Similarly, postal codes is also a geography kind of data type, and then ship dates are a date data type. Let's go to drop down and verify. So it's a date, and we can convert it to date and time. Now let's talk about another concept, or I think this is all for this video. Let's talk about other concepts in the next video. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys soon.